You're standing in your kitchen, late at night. Bills are paid, kids are asleep, work is done for the day, and you suddenly think, I make more money than I ever have. So why does it still feel this tight? Look, nothing is on fire, but nothing feels secure either. And that quiet realization? That's the moment most people hit sometime after 35. Because here's the thing, by your mid to late 30s, money mistakes stop being theoretical. They start showing up as stress, regret, and lost time you can't rewind. And today we're talking about the 7 money decisions people look back on after 35 and say, I really wish I understood this sooner. My name is Mick, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, investing, and why smart people still make terrible financial decisions. If you're someone who works hard, earns decent money, but still feels behind or unsure if you're actually winning financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because this isn't about shame, it's about clarity, before time quietly becomes your most expensive enemy. Decision number 1. Delaying investing because you weren't ready. Here's the thing. This is the biggest regret people mention when you actually talk to them honestly. According to Fidelity, nearly 60% of Americans over 35 say they wish they had started investing earlier, and when you ask why they didn't, the answers sound reasonable. I needed to pay off debt first. I didn't make enough yet. I wanted to understand investing better. Look, that logic feels responsible, but mathematically, it's brutal. Let me show you. If you invest $500 per month starting at 25, earning an average 7% return. By 65, approximately $1.3 million. If you wait until 35, same amount, same return. By 65, approximately $610,000. That 10-year delay costs you over $700,000. Here's what most people don't realize. The market doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards time. Psychologically, people delay investing because of loss aversion. We fear losing money more than we value gaining it. But by not investing, you're choosing a guaranteed loss. Inflation plus missed compounding. Action step. If you're over 35 and not investing consistently, start with any automated amount this month. Even $100 builds momentum, and momentum changes behavior. Decision number 2. Lifestyle. Upgrades that lock you in. Now this one hurts a little. Most people don't ruin their finances with one bad decision. They do it with a series of upgrades that feel earned. Bigger house, nicer car, more subscriptions, better vacations, on credit. Here's a stat that should make you uncomfortable. The average American household earning $100,000 spends over 90% of their income. That's not wealth, that's fragility. Here's the analogy. It's like upgrading your phone every year but never backing up your data. Everything looks great until one glitch wipes you out. This is where it gets really interesting. Lifestyle inflation doesn't feel like overspending. It feels like normal. Your brain adapts, your expenses rise, your margin disappears. And after 35, responsibilities increase. Kids, parents, health, and suddenly flexibility matters more than flash. Action step. Freeze lifestyle upgrades for 12 months. Every raise goes 50% to investing, 50% to living. That single rule rebuilds margin fast. Decision number 3. Ignoring net worth and focusing only on income. Now you might be thinking, but Mick, income matters. I need to earn more. Yes, but income without net worth is just motion, not progress. Here's a shocking stat from the Federal Reserve. Over 40% of Americans earning $100,000 plus have less than $50,000 net worth. Why? Because income is temporary, net worth is cumulative. Psychologically, income gives dopamine, net worth gives security, but it's quieter. Here's what most people don't realize. Your net worth tells you how long you could survive without working. That's real power. Action step. Calculate your net worth today. Assets minus liabilities. Track it quarterly. Your decisions will change once you see the number. Decision number 4, overpaying for safety. This one is sneaky. People over 35 love safety, insurance, cash, guarantees. But here's the math nobody likes to hear. Keeping $50,000 in cash, earning 1% while inflation runs at 3%, costs you approximately $1,000 per year in purchasing power. That's a silent tax. Now, I'm not saying be reckless. I'm saying misunderstanding risk is risky. The stock market feels volatile, short-term, but historically, it's one of the safest long-term wealth builders. The real danger, outliving your money. Action step, keep 3 to 6 months emergency cash. Invest the rest according to your timeline, not your fear. Decision number 5, not having a clear why for money. Here's the thing. Money without a purpose gets spent. People say they want financial freedom, but when you ask what that means, they can't define it. No number, no timeline, and no vision. Psychologically, the brain needs specificity to delay gratification. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will wander. Action step. Define your enough number. How much invested income covers your basic life? That's your target. Decision number 6. Waiting too long to fix bad debt credit cards, high-interest loans, car payments stretched to 7 years. After 35, debt stops being a temporary bridge and starts becoming a ceiling. Here's the math. A $10,000 balance at 20% interest costs approximately $2,000 per year. Every year. That's money working against you. Action step. Attack high-interest debt aggressively. Use the avalanche method. Interest is not neutral, it's compounding in reverse. Decision number 7. Believing it's too late. This is the most dangerous regret of all. People convince themselves that because they didn't start at 25, there's no point now. That's false. If you invest $1,000 per month from 35 to 65 at 7%, you still end up with approximately $1.2 million. Not starting guarantees 0. Here's what most people don't realize. Your future self doesn't need perfection. They need consistency. Look, money mistakes happen, but regret doesn't have to be permanent. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be intentional. Every dollar you direct today buys future freedom. If this video helped you think differently about your money, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you want clear, honest conversations about building wealth without hype. Because the best time to make better money decisions was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now.